Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's actually a pretty exciting time for me right now. June 6th, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that was on Monday, I reached my 2-year anniversary. I've been officially locked for 2 years, and it's right around our Lock Appreciation Day, so I'm pretty excited about that. I look back at a few videos and I realized that I always had my locks kind of suspended in animation, always hanging down. So I went and got a style. I usually keep it styled often because of the job that I have. They're really lenient, but when you're in corporate America, you don't want to just, have the Busta Rhymes look or whatever. So I do keep them bound. I keep them up, and it's a good look for me. I do like to let them down quite often. But for those of you who not looked at my some of my videos, my staging videos, this is I do various styles, but I don't know how you guys feel about this one. I'll just take a few moments to kind of let you get a peek at it. Tell me what you think. I actually have like a little bun in the back. How she did it. I hope you can see it. So, yeah, I actually got it done. My godmother is my stylist, but she has a salon and spa in Jacksonville, Florida. Seawata on Rohero Road. You gotta go check her out. It's a good time. It's a good time. I'm celebrating. I got a cake. I was surprised with a cake. Happy Lock Appreciation. Sorry, not Lock Appreciation. Happy 2-year Lock anniversary. This celebration has got my mind all over the place. I'm really excited about that. I got my shirt. I did get it's ordered. It's not here yet, but I did get my, and I personalized it. A lot of you, I don't know if you did, but I got my LAD Lock Appreciation Day 2011. I got my t-shirt coming. Hoorah. Other than that, it's I'm just glad I'm locked and proud. 2 years. 2 years. I remember when they were, I kind of miss them when they were like that, but hey, look where it ended up. They're nice. They're nice. So thank you. Celebrate your journey. I'm celebrating mine. 2 years. 2 years. 2 years. That's it. I just want to come on and just like tell you how excited I was about making that mark. It'll be ongoing, but happy Lock Appreciation Day, June the 25th, 2011. All right, everybody stay locked and stay proud. Gotta solve your problem.